mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. May 24, 2024, Friday Racing. Ang umpisa ng karera sa araw ng Biyernes, alas 5 ng hapon. Muli ating mabanggitin na ang buwan ng Mayo ay Cervical Cancer Consciousness Month. 7 races, lahat ng karera ay may distansyang 1,200 meter run. Race number 1, ang ating first choice, number 1, Crown Prince. Second choice, number 7, Golden Petita. Third choice, number 5, Giselle Princess. Race 2, first choice, number 3, Navy Cat. Second choice, number 4, Sayaw Kikay. Race 3, first choice, number 2, Chiller. Second choice, number 1, Magandang Dilag. Third choice, number 6, Iya Saki. Race 4, first choice, number 5, Octubre 14. Second choice, number 2, Copycat. Third choice, number 6, Dugong Bughaw. Race 5, first choice, number 8, Noir. Second choice, number 2, Tokyo Rumba. Race 6, race na may pentapekta. First choice, number 5, Arrogante. Baka kung kailan hindi ine-expect at inaasahan ay manalo ito dito. Kaya first choice, number 5, Arrogante. Second choice, number 4, Gin Jenny. Third choice, number 1, Ginebra. Race 7, last race. Race na may Super 6 at paratingan. First choice, number 1, Everyday Black. Second choice, number 6, Alasabon. Third choice, number 7, Top Peeling. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!